I never know how to say hi. I have on this hat because I just came from work. I saw a package and I was like, yes, it's the one. So this is like a very like last minute video. I wanted to film a video like this, but you know, I just never really thought it was a good video idea because, did I even say hi? Hi, hello, welcome back to another video. If this is your first video, hi, welcome, stay for a while. But like I was saying before, I just got a package in the mail, some shoes. Of course, that's me, the shoe person. But I got the shoes and I wanted to show you guys, you know, my reaction to the shoes. These shoes are very different. Like, look at the way I'm dressed right now and then you're gonna see the shoes. I feel like they do fit me. Like, I'm expanding my wardrobe. Oh wait, we should probably open this too. I got a package from Depop. Look at this. It's like a little cute sweater vest. She's cute. Like, you can't even lie, she's cute. I'm not a big vest person, but like I said, expand my wardrobe. This is cute. Like, maybe we can even style it with the shoes that I'm gonna show you. But anyways, let's get to unboxing the shoes. The box is so dirty. Oh my god, demonia. The shoes. But can you already tell what shoe they are? Look at this. I literally have the same like reaction almost every time I open up a new pair of shoes. But look at that, look at her, she's so magnificent. And I wasn't gonna get these because they just look like they're super hard to walk in, but I looked at the reviews and apparently they're really not that hard to walk in. And I was thinking about getting the black ones, but I already have a whole bunch of other black shoes and I was like, you know what, I love my black shoes, but what if we also dipped into tan shoes? These are so like pretty, and I've seen so many people wearing the black ones and the white ones, but I was set on the camel. Like, my mom thought these were cute too, but now I'm gonna try them on and maybe I'll show you a little bit of styling with them too. They're gonna look funny though with my pants. I will say though, this is definitely coming off super easily, but it's fake fur, so you know, what do you expect? Also, I'm wearing black, so you're gonna be able to see the fur more. They're so cute. They look really funny with my pants on, but other than that, they're super cute. They are easy to step in, I can say. Like, for real, legit. I thought I was supposed to be over here like, I can't wait to style these stuff, which I'm probably gonna do within like the next hour. Yeah, but she's cute. But like, they do have the tiniest little slant to them, and they're not that heavy. But I think it's also because I'm used to demonia shoes and the weight of a platform. I'm glad I didn't get the black ones because, like I said, you know, expanding the wardrobe. This will allow me to do that. Let's move on to the styling segment of this video. That was a transition. Cue the transition.
Let's have sex on the beach, laying in the sand, just you and me, hand in hand, come on.